Hi, my name is Crystal Barrientos Maldonado and I'm a former student here at BC, and now I serve as a peer mentor for the health science pathway. So when I first started at BC, I started as a general bio major, and I still stay that way, but I decided to double major in with the emphasis on human bio because upon taking a human anatomy course and a microbiology course, I realized that I had more of curiosity of biology with regards to the human body. So one of the things that I would say for a student who is interested in biology is to not be afraid to jump into the classes that you have. They might be challenging at first because they were for me as a first generation student, but one of the tips that I would offer that I would suggest for anybody is that when you are confused about certain things in the class, make sure to ask questions in the class. Get to know your professors, ask them what made them interested into the biology department. Another tip would be to ask your peers around you. Sometimes they know more information and they know about opportunities for volunteering in hospitals, or whether that be in clinics or working with your lab professors. Sometimes they might need help, I don't know, filling up agar plates. And yeah, just enjoy your time and make sure to also be taking care of yourself. One key component that I would say is don't take more than you can handle, because sometimes we do like a challenge and we do like to press on, and that's not to discourage anybody to say don't take many classes, but if I can go back in time and tell myself something, was to take my time, to take my pace. That way I can learn all the classes and understand the material instead of just focusing a little bit on each one, but really grasping and understanding what I'm being taught. If you tend to be a curious person like myself, then you're really going to enjoy your classes. And then another thing is that you get to form connections with your professors, getting to know them and what their educational journey was like. And you can get really motivated, and just make sure to be flexible. Don't be afraid to expand your network. And getting to know people is fun as well. A lot of the connections that you make today will help you in your future endeavors and in your goals, because sometimes in a lot of programs in the educational pathways, they do require recommendations. And that's not to say that your professors are just going to give it to you. They really do want to get to know you and help you, but in order to do that, you need to set some time aside or meet them in their office hours and ask them questions and get to know them, and let them get to know you and the reason why you're in the pathway that you're in. So an overall summary that I can offer is to make sure you get good night rest, take care of yourself, ask questions, and don't be afraid to try. Thank you.